So we know customers are important, but why is their feedback so important? So you've designed and built an incredible product. You've got your marketing strategy down pat, your advertising in all the right places, and finally you're bringing in the customers after months of hard work. Well, it's all starting to pay off. Life's great, you've made it. Then little by little, day by day, that steady stream of customers slowly turns into a trickle. And you get that feeling that something's going amiss. But what is it? Why aren't you bringing in repeat sales? You've enabled a reorder function on your website as suggested, so why aren't your customers coming back? You think your product is perfect. Well, what to do? Don't sit there pondering, worrying, losing hair and sleep. The solution is simple. Simply ask your customers what you could do better. Customer feedback is what will drive your business forward. You must remember that all a business does is solve a problem that the customer experiences. So the best, most successful businesses solve big problems and solve them well. They know exactly what the customer wants, and every single facet of their business revolves around providing that precise solution. But how will you ever know what the customer wants if you never ask? Sometimes the issue may be as simple as the way your pricing is displayed or how you show your products. Or sometimes it's a little more complicated, such as the arrival of a new competitor, issues around delivery information, or poor customer service. You can source customer feedback in a number of ways: surveys, questionnaires, ratings, reviews, as well as through direct voluntary communication from the customer. Most of your customers will be more than willing to share their opinion with you. The more invested ones will even be glad you asked. So let's talk about why customer feedback is important in the first place. Reason number one, so you can learn what customers like, don't like, and the areas in which you can improve. Customer feedback will help paint the picture of who your key customer is. You may have an obvious focus on gender, an age or location already, but feedback will provide you with much more specific insights into your market. It may be as simple as changing the way you describe your products, or you may discover that that ergonomic chair you have for sale is the perfect size and shape for a majority of your customers, but the colour options just aren't that popular. To put it simply, feedback makes your job way easier. It avoids you holding stock that no one wants or receiving negative feedback you could have resolved before it became an issue. Quality customer feedback literally tells you what to do and what to prioritise. Reason number two, good feedback sells products and services. Remember back in the day when your buying habits were largely based on proximity of the store or personal recommendations. Maybe you heard about a great new restaurant on the other side of town, and trusting their opinion, you made the long journey there to experience it for yourself. Well, in today's digital day and age, these word-of-mouth recommendations come in the form of testimonials, ratings, and reviews. Customers are no longer limited to buying from local businesses, so testimonials provide a validation of a great company when a personal recommendation is not available. We now know that the majority of consumers read online reviews, with what they read largely influencing their opinion of the brand and whether they make a purchase. It seems unnatural these days to visit a place without checking out their Google rating first. Why risk it? What I'm trying to tell you is how powerful positive reviews are in bringing in business. And the best way to get some under your belt? Well, simply asked. But more on that in the next video. Reason number three, so you can make your customers feel valued. As humans, we love feeling special, involved, and important. Plain and simple. It doesn't matter whether it's a person close to us dishing out the attention or a company asking us for our opinion. We love to share our thoughts. So asking your customers for feedback, in effect asking them for their personal influence, is going to deepen the trust they have in you. That responsiveness is what they want, a company that takes their views into account and takes action. If you think about it, isn't the customer's view the most important? Why else are you putting this product to market except to satisfy their need? So that's that. That should be plenty enough reason to start seeking customer feedback. In the next video, we'll discuss exactly how you do that.